So this is Han from Node One and initiator of MyVote and Eden Smart Proxy, and we are here with Sudeep Banerjee from Cryptolions. So first thing
Hi.
first, I want to ask you the core principles of MyVote and BP selection criteria for Eden Smart Proxy. The first one, uh, will you engage with any form of vote buying?
No,
Okay. And do you agree to provide financials and operations report on regular basis for the community
yes.
publicly?
Uh, Cryptolions, in the beginning of EOS, we tried our best to communicate that to community. We started with monthly reports, then it went to quarterly, and then to annual reports. It will be very good to see that community appreciates this move.
All right. And you're not going to spin up a second sock puppet BP under the same ownership besides Cryptolions BP.
Not only that, we do adhere by the idea of Byzantine fault tolerance. For the same reason, we also don't run nodes for other people with having the competency to run test nets, launching chains. We don't take up such contracts even if it's a business contract because it hurts the core idea of blockchain, Byzantine
Okay.
fault tolerance. Yes.
Mm. And you acknowledge that you can be delisted from MyVote and Eden Smart Proxy if you if you violate any of the three things that you said you are agreeing with, correct?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
All right. Okay. So can you introduce a little bit about yourself and Crypto Lions team?
Hi, I'm Sudeep. I come from India. I finished my education in Ukraine and started my business life in Ukraine. Before blockchain, I come from the background of IT infrastructure, physical infrastructure, and blockchain became the extension of one of the products we used to sell, which was database and hosting. For us, blockchain was that next innovation of distributed database technology that would be available in the world. Uh, Co-founders of Cryptolions, Roman and Bogdan, introduced me to EOS. Before EOS, we were doing a wallet called Betomat. I was involved in that. When EOS happened, it looked like a major jump in technology compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum. We call it a third generation chain. Uh, Cryptoline's team has been in the EOS space from the beginning. We also run the test net called Jungle, and it has been a very interesting journey for us. Due to vote buying, vote selling, and cartelization of EOS validator nodes, we lost out on earnings and we could not contribute to the community much because whatever earnings we made in the beginning were put into development of open source software, and it's very hard to monetize an open source software that is released for the health and the well-being of the ecosystem. But while doing all this, we attained lots of competence of running and configuring and launching EOS IO based chains. And you would find us on multiple chains as one of the first block producers or validators because we were at some stage a subcontractor in launching those chains. Uh, and yeah, and still EOS has been our core interest, and this technology stack has been our the most priority, like as per technical development. This is the most interesting chain for us. We have explored all other chains. Meanwhile, as a blockchain contractor running or launching chains, we keep coming back to EOS and to EOS IO, or now it's called Antelope. The naming of antelope is very interesting because it matches of our testnet name jungle. So it's a new animal in the jungle. That's it. As an introduction, I should stop.
All right, thank you. So, what are the things that you want to see in EOS in the future? What it makes you excited, and how you want to contribute on the chain if you ended up getting the in a better position in the ecosystem with the better payment.
Okay. One of the key things that we were doing as a block producer, where we were creating all those building blocks of a blockchain in form of open source software on top of which other people can build. We launched the first, I would say, the first asset standard, simple assets back then, and it became the basis for the next asset standard that came on EOS or VAX atomic assets, and they did an amazing job running that with Atomic Hub. In that respect, we find ourselves quite successful in creating technology, but with more support in terms of finances and financial freedom, it will let us create more. There are lots of ideas that we have in our mind, and we want to like bring them to the level of uh, to that level where it is not a proof of concept anymore. In the current blockchain scene, after visiting lots of different blockchain shows and technology, it has become evident to me that many are trying to solve problems that have been solved long back, people don't remember. And EOS was heavily ignored by the rest of the crypto community because not for all technology matters, price appreciation and the token price performance became the deciding factor for their interest. But in general, yeah, we would like to contribute more so that other people can build. It's just not that we want to build and have a business just for us. It's for the uh, for more uh, for the more growth of the community and developers. We just want to contribute as by creating lots of building blocks.
All right. Thank you for making your time, and I really appreciate you opening up yourself enough and taking this opportunity to have this interview. Thank you for joining on board, and thank you for your time. Thank you.
Thank you for inviting. Thank you, Han.
Bye bye.